Hello everybody, my name is Nancy and thank you so much for stopping by on my video today. Today I'm going to be testing out some Wet n Wild makeup. I'm not sure if this is brand new, but this is something that I've never seen before. Wet n Wild has like a workout collection. All this stuff is supposed to be gym ready, it's supposed to help with working out, and I think Blogilates is the face of this collection. Pardon my appearance, this is editing Lindsay right now. So I just googled the makeup blocker BB cream and my CVS said new, all this stuff. This foundation is 2 years old. Why is it still being sold in the store? This was like what? I saw this makeup locker, pump makeup locker 3-in-1 BB cream, and it's in a jar. You guys, like, none of this, I got this at CVS, none of this is sealed or anything. This is makeup in a jar. They had some blushes, they had all these different like primer sticks, all that kind of stuff. This stuff was kind of expensive, so I only ended up getting a blush stick and this BB cream. So we're gonna be testing this out today, and I'm using some other Wet n Wild products. Oh, what you want? I went ahead and popped my eyeshadow on. I used the Wet n Wild Color Icon palette. This one is in the shade, I don't know because the sticker ripped off. So this one is more of the mustardy brown color wave. Leo, what you doing? He's just gonna keep making a ruckus if I don't give him something. Let's go ahead and look up and see what the claims are for this makeup locker BB cream. And then on the top it also has a color corrector and a highlighter, which is really interesting. This innovative 3-in-1 design provides you with an imperfection softening BB cream, a glow boosting highlighter, and a peach color corrector to knock out dark circles for flawless complexion. Conveniently packaged in a travel-friendly component for beauty junkies and fitness lovers. Here's the corrector and the highlighter on the top. And again, the BB cream is just in this component here. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on the corrector on the top. It's a very interesting salmon color. So I'm gonna go in with like a concealer brush. This is a Sigma Precision 40 HD brush. I'm gonna grab that. Oh, it's a lot creamier than I was expecting. I'm gonna put this on my dark circles because I have seriously the worst dark circles ever. I always see these girls on YouTube being like, I have dark circles, and I'm like, girl, tell me you have dark circles after you see mine. I'm just patting this in with my fingers. That definitely helped to correct it. It is a little bit orange, but that definitely helped with some of the darkness under my eyes. I'm just gonna, oh no, did I get it on my shirt? Well, I have the Wet n Wild sponge, and since this is a little bit on the lighter side, I decided not to wet it just in case, but that I would just blend it out with this here. And I don't feel like this, I don't know, it's a very weird formula, and the fact that it wasn't even sealed up at the store kind of grosses me out. I tried to look for one that wasn't touched or anything or messed with, so hopefully we'll be okay. Alright, there is one layer of it on there and it is not doing too much. That's for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Sigma F80 on the other side and really just glob this on and try to get some coverage out of this. But it definitely has a little bit of like a scent to it, like makeup-y scent. It's not terrible, but the shade up from this looked way too dark for me, and I know you guys have been saying the foundations you pick always look way too light. It's like I'm in that in-between light and fair. I'm a very interesting skin tone. Okay, this is looking like just a giant greasy mess. This looks absolutely horrible. This feels so gross on my face. Okay, so I got this blush stick in the shade Major Flush. It's a really nice I would say more like mauve shade, meaning pink. Oh my gosh, this looks horrible. I'm just gonna blend this in here. I like the blush stick though. This is nice. It's not like crazy pigmented to the point of being too much. It's like just enough. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with the bronzing stick. This one is in the shade Where's Walnut 806. And I've seen people use this a lot and I finally found it. Bring some color back into my face because clearly I look like a ghost. You guys, this is just a greasy disaster. Oh, I just look. Ugh. Okay, let's try and set it and see if that helps at all. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. What I'm gonna do is actually put the L'Oreal Infallible powder. I'm gonna put that all over my face and see if that helps to like give some coverage. All right, I'm gonna go in with like more bronzer, more blush. I look like a ghost. I have no dimension to my face at all. I'm also gonna pop on some lashes. So Eyelure actually sent some lashes over to me and they sent over the Line & Lash Clear Lash Adhesive Pen. So this will be really cool to test out. And then they sent over these lashes. This is in collaboration with Jasmine Brown. These look so fun. So I'll pop these on as well. All right, I went ahead and popped on the Animal Crossing ColourPop lip crayon. Here, this one is in the coconut juice shade. These have just been really nice to just throw on super quick. And you guys, this is so easy to use. It's a little dry at first, so you take the pen and then it's supposed to be white, but it picked up some of my brown eyeliner. So you put it on here and then I just take the lash and I just pop it on. Like, that was so quick. And like, look at that. It's stuck on there. I am shocked. I did not expect this to work so well. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and take some Catrice HD Active Performance Setting Spray. But the time right now is 2 o'clock, so I'm gonna keep this on as long as I can. I can definitely tell already that this is not gonna last very long and I'm not gonna enjoy it being on my face. So I'm just gonna put that out there now. This is definitely not for people who are oily or have texture or anything like that. This is definitely for people who are dry and need moisture and have no texture on their face. That is all I'm gonna say right now. Look at this transfer. Oh my gosh, it looks horrible. How do I fix this? There we go. Oh my gosh, definitely not mask proof. Well, I had this on for 44 minutes and it already looks like crap. So it's after 3 o'clock and that whole time my mic was not on. So I was just saying that the glue did not hold my eyelashes on very well. I was outside and the wind was blowing my eyelashes all over the place and they kept falling off. So I think the glue pen was just not working out for me. I might have to mess around with it more. But this foundation is transferring so bad. I'm not expecting this to be long wearing or anything like that, but it's definitely not for me. If you have dry, untextured skin, highly recommend this. It looks not too bad, but for me, I've got texture, I'm normal to combination, so I'm not even that oily, and this is just a giant grease ball. Not a fan. I want to take it off right now. The eyeshadow looks good still. But thank you guys so much for watching. If there's anything else you want me to review or more videos you want to see from me, just let me know in the comment section below, and have an amazing day.